So hi guys, today we are going to discuss about how many ways we can create an Apex class in Salesforce. So there are four ways we can create an Apex class. One is a standard navigation method, one is a developer console, and another one is execute anonymous window, and another one is Eclipse or VS Code Edit. Coming to standard navigation, so log into your Salesforce account, click on this setup option. It will open this home page. Search for Apex. So you can see below the custom code menu, you can see Apex class. Double click on that Apex class. So here we can click on this new button. So you can write the Apex class in this bar, in this window and save it. Or quick save it. We can save it. So in this way we can write the Apex classes using standard navigation. Another one is the developer console method. The developer console method is go to your gate symbol in the top right corner, setup, click on there. Below to setup, service setup, there will be developer console. Click on the developer console. So it will open a different window. Maximize the window. So here we can write that. How key we can write? Click on this file, new. Here we have different options, creating a new Apex class, triggers, visual force pages, and lightning applications. And we can write Aura components, Aura events in this developer console as well. So click on this Apex class, give the name as text class. Okay. So this class is defined and write the code as per the requirement. In this way we can write the Apex flows in developer console. There is a one more method, developer console. So after coming to the developer console using setup and developer console, under this debug there is a open execute announcement window. So here we can write the Apex class as well. So what is the difference in this executive announcements window and the developer console is the code we have written in developer console is saved in the metadata repository that we write the code or execute announcement. It is not saved anywhere. If you close this window, this entire code will be removed and you cannot retrieve it from anywhere. So that's why if you want, mostly we use this execute anonymous window for test cases or any test cases we want to RV. We can invoke the Apex classes using this execute anonymous window also after creating the class as well. So by using this execute announcements window, we can create Apex classes as well. And one more method is Eclipse or VS Code Editor. There is a on-premise software called VS Code Editor. So you have to download that VS Code Editor in your local system, and you have to like connect this your admin account, developer account, or sandbox to the VS Code, and you can write uh, the Apex classes in there. In this system, I have this VS Code editor, but I don't think I have. I'll show you how it look like and all. Yes. So this is the VS Code editor. You can go to the VS Code in the App Store or in your Google Play Store, in Chrome as well. You can download it, and I'll make a different another video how to we can download and interact this VS Code editor and connect with our developer accounts. So I can make another video. So and another concept will be how many ways we can invoke the Apex class. Upon creating and saving the Apex class, we have to invoke them. So there are different ways. We can use execute anonymous window. The same way in the here upon writing this window, we can execute this one. Execute the class here. And there is another option called triggers. Come to this developer trigger. console. Here we have Apex triggers. We have to give a name and choose the object that we want to invoke. So we have different concepts as events in triggers as well. We'll go to in the later videos in this section. So next we can use VS pages. VF pages are nothing but the UI. Upon button clicks we can invoke the Apex classes and batch Apex. So we can invoke a class in another class that can be done. And batch class we have a method called execute method. There we can use or not. We have a finish method in batch class. There we can invoke another Apex class as well. And we can schedule Apex classes. Suppose I want to invoke a particular Apex class in a regular interval of time. Suppose I want to invoke that one every day or every month or every week. So we can schedule that one using email services and APIs and VS Code editor. And we can use there's a concept in admin called flows and process builders. So using these also we can invoke the Apex classes. These are the different ways we can invoke. Mostly we use execute anonymous window, which we have to check checking purpose or texting purpose before confirming the class is perfect and all. Next, if you want to regular interval of Apex execution, we can use this schedule Apex. Mostly we use execute announcements window and VF pages, triggers. Yeah, these are the mainly concepts we use to invoke the Apex classics. If you have any queries, please do comment. Thank you.